How to transfer photos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop. Connect your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into your computer. A pop-up will appear on your phone asking for permission to access photos and videos. Tap Allow, Open File Explorer on your computer. Go to the search bar, type File Explorer, and select it from the results. Access iPhone storage. In File Explorer, look at the left sidebar, scroll down, and click the drop-down arrow under this PC. Select Apple iPhone and then choose Internal Storage. Locate your photos. Inside the storage, you'll find folders organized by date, containing your photos and videos. Use the back arrow in the top left to explore other folders if needed. Transfer files. To copy everything, click on one folder, press Ctrl+A to select all, then left-click and drag the selected folders to your desktop. Complete the transfer. A progress bar will show the transfer status. Once completed, you can minimize File Explorer and access your copied photos and videos from your desktop. By following these steps, you can quickly transfer photos from your iPhone to your PC or laptop.